Hey guys, it's me again. I'm rebuilding the carb. I'm sorry I didn't get the first part because the lighting was so bad. I'm not going to be able to do it step by step, but I'm trying to show you what I can. I got this in the process until I replace that plug all the way down. Just 4 screws. It's a Holly. This is the instructions that comes with it. So you can see everything on it. And it's an Apple brand. And there's the part number 2-5693A is an alpha. But I got that whole side done. Doing this side. Then I'll do that. Right there's all the gaskets. There's some of the old parts. But it's pretty easy. Easier than what I thought. I'm sorry I'm not able to do it like you guys would want, but I have nobody to hold the camera or anything, and just didn't have the lighting to see what I did yesterday. Thank you. Also, while I'm here, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I'm doing another video. Alright, thank you. Hey everybody, I'm back with you. It's a different day and I'm out on the International installing the carb. I thought I would show you. It's used to be an old farm truck. See? I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Thank you. Well, I got it done, but the battery's saying it needs replaced. I've been trying to jump start it, but you can see carb's on. Well, please, if you watched this far, hit that like, subscribe, and everything else. Thank you.